can always use tractor, flat car load things. There you go. John Deere, buddy. There's more. There's more coming. Waffle box. White striped tankers. Here they come through. Oh, they're striped on the end. Kind of crazy. DPRX, buddy. Whatever the heck that is. Cool.